Hey everybody, it's Al with BobCAD. So today I wanted to look at some 5-axis drilling. We're doing some 3+2 machining here, and we have some holes that we want to drill out. Now, previously I created a UCS for each of the hole locations, so I could use that as my index position. So from here, all we need to do is add an index. We will reselect, and we're going to pick from a UCS, so I'm going to grab this one right here and choose OK. Now we've indexed to this position, and from here we can go ahead and drill some holes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new layer, make it active, utilities, extract edges, single. I'm going to choose this edge, and I'm going to say project to Z0 and choose OK. And now what I've done is I've gotten my hole location. From here I can measure this so I can find out how big the hole is. So this is a spline curve. That's really common when you're dealing with holes that are on curved surfaces, is that they end up becoming splines. So what I'm going to do is just join a line between here and here, the two endpoints, and then I'll measure that line. That will give me the length. So this is a 1/4 inch hole. So from here I'm just going to do drill hole. I will select my hole geometry. I can just pick a section of it. Hold on a second, let me I need to grab either a point or an arc, not a spline. So I'm just going to put a point on center, or point on entity 50%. Okay, good. And then I'll grab that point. So I'll select that point location. Okay. Now I'll edit this. This is going to be 1/4 inch diameter. We just want to do a hole. I'll get rid of the center drill. And then let me go ahead and compute this. So here we can see we have our hole created. The next thing that we want to look at is there's this other hole here. My assumption is that they line up. I'm pretty sure they do. I did create another coordinate system for it, so if they were in a different rotation plane I could do that. But in this case, really all I'm going to do is come back to my layer here, utilities, extract edges, single. I'll grab this edge here, project to Z0, turn that off. From here, line join. Let's see if that let me do point end, point incremental. I just want to find the center, so let's do -125. So now I have the center, and then from here I can just add that hole location to my drilling. So now it's drilled both those holes. It drilled a hole here and it drilled a hole there. So when you're doing 5-axis machining 3+2, once you have a coordinate system set, and in the other video I showed how you could create a coordinate system based off a cylindrical face, you can just drill your holes and use that coordinate system as the rotation values. If you guys have any questions or comments, feedback, please reply back to the Facebook, the YouTube, or whatever thread this video may be posted in. Thank you so much.